First, good evening, all of you.
Very good evening.
How are you all?
Yeah.
So today's there is a topic is like today I think very good topic today. Like there are three freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and Rajguru. I think these are legend, and even they are legend, and they are legend of our freedom fighters. And I want to say that like only these people are doing these things. I ask you all. Have you not potential? I ask you all, have you not potential?
Yes, we have.
But 99.9% people do their work and leave at last, but they don't process and don't do the full work of their work. But only these people do their work fully and bravely and don't lose their confidence. I know we all are people and we do mistakes in our life. So I think they people, these types of people, they is always like a. इनको भी आई होगी.
They have also faced.
They have also faced, but they face these challenges and do better in their life. And I want to say that like if we inspire to him and we motivated to him, so we can easily success and we can easily become a great person like him or her, like freedom fighters. So I want to say that like he spend their time always in their important work, not in like a waste of he can't waste of time, and he inspire from anyone and he do work and then he and there is a another person. I forget his name, but they both are go in British and in British Parliament and bombing there and he said a slogan like and his slogans, and then after the British Parliament give him capital punishment, and then he easily happily accepted, and then he said uh, uh, when he was in jail, so he read 300 types of books, and after it when the day of his died, like 23 March, it is not real date, but 24th March is real. When the government is interpret in and put a date like 23 March, so 24th March is correct date, and 1931 our freedom fighter he is no more in our life. So I think we are inspired him and we are motivated to him to do their work and to do our work fully, and we can't like leave our confidence. And I know everyone lose their confidence at a medium of time, but if we motivated by someone and if we see any person who can't do this work and he is like weak in this work, so we should inspire him like what I was in that time and what I was in current time. I do this work, but I सर मैं अटकता हूँ उसमें. I fumble it, but there was a day I clear my speech and I spoken very fluently. So these types of things I think we can inspire to him and we are motivated to him. These people do their work very like systematic. So as we know there is it is a real story, but if we do these things, so we think like these are imaginaries, these are our illusions. So these types of things. I think these types of peoples, if they are live in like the after of independence, so they like so there is a there is a no limit of their happiness, and they if anyone kill him after independence, so they are happily died. We know that if anyone kill to us, so there is a मलाल रहता है हमको उस चीज का.
We always degrade.
We always degrade, and he also degrade, but he can't show anyone. He has degraded in their heart, but he can't anyone, but he can't show anyone. So as like him, like at the previous time they do these things, and in current time like our generations and our youngsters, like I know जैसे जैसे बदलाव होता है,
As the things change,
as the things change, so I know the our mentality and our mind is developed. So as the mind our develop, and the like most of persons want to success and became a very successful person, so I think they do hard work, but like there is a time when they indulged in a bad habits like drinking, smoking, these type of things, if they made bad company. So I think if I want to say you, like if there is any bad company in your surrounding, so first you leave to him, like it also your friend, you leave it and say, I can't make company with you, because a rotten apple rotten the whole basket of apple. So these things are happens in our country, and these things are things are happen with our culture and even our youngsters. So I want to say you inspired to these types of peoples and motivated to these types of peoples, and you are doing their work fully and confidently. So thank you guys.